Hi there. Today I'm going to show you how to replace ink cartridges on an Epson XP-4205. Now this is nice and simple, done from the printer itself without needing to involve any attached PCs or laptops. Now unlike some Epson printers, you can't replace ink cartridges in this machine just by opening the lid and having the cradles move over. As you can see, with it open, the ink cartridge cradle stays in place and you can't physically get to the top of the ink cartridges where you need to from this little plastic thing, and two of them even remain hidden over on the right hand side. So we're going to keep the lid of the printer closed and instead navigate from the home screen of the printer, which looks like this. If you're not already on this page, press the home button to be taken here, and then we move ourselves along with 4 presses of the right hand arrow until maintenance is selected. Then we press OK. Then from maintenance, we need to go past test pages, past cleaning, past print head alignment, and we've got ink cartridge replacement here. So we press OK, it's OK again, and again. Now you hear your printer moving things about, and that's our cue to take a look within the machine, which we do by placing our hands either side of the scan bed. You want to go underneath the scanner. There's a small recess on either side. Fingers under there, lift gently. The stand on the right hand side will take the weight of the scanner bed and leave the top bit open. As you can see, the ink cartridge cradle has moved along past that little flap so we can get to the top of where all the ink cartridges are. So to remove an ink cartridge, we press down on the top and lift it out gently. You've probably already noticed, but each ink cartridge color is marked at the top here, black, yellow, magenta, cyan, the colored tab with the letters in it. With your removed ink cartridge in hand, take a replacement. I'm not going to replace anything because I've got no issue with the machine. However, if you've got a new ink cartridge, you're going to want to remove any protective packaging from the outside. Occasionally you'll get like a little wedge between this bit up here, but not on the Epson originals. There will be a pull tab, almost certainly somewhere on the cartridge. On the Epson, you get it here. Take it off, it's yellow, easy to spot, but compatibles and remanufactured ones will have the same thing. One thing you don't need to worry about is the bottom of the cartridge. There's film over where the ink comes out. Mine's already pierced because obviously this one's been in the printer already. You don't need to peel that off. I've never seen an ink cartridge where you do need to. Pulling that off, all it'll do is give the printer free rein to just pour out of there into your printer. You don't want that. So pop it back into the printer. As you can see, the Epson originals have an instruction to push there. It's the ideal place because it's close to where that piercing occurs. And if it's sat flush with the rest of the cartridges in there, you know it's installed fully. So repeat that process for any ink cartridges that you want to replace or need some work. And then we just close the lid of the printer, lift this little blue arm here, and it'll slide down nicely. And then we take a look at the screen. As you can see, it knows we've messed with the black there. So we've got that little tick that wasn't there previously. And once we're happy that everything's been done, press OK. And your printer will start taking a look at the ink cartridges, making sure it's perfectly happy with them. It can read the chips on there and is OK to proceed printing with them. It will say it's initializing. What initializing is pulling ink from the cartridge, ensuring the ink line within the printer is full of ink and it can flow nicely from the ink cartridge to the print head, and you're done. Now I hope you found this video useful. If you have, let us know with a like. If there's anything else you'd like to add, pop it down in those comments. Otherwise, thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.